Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Vatshalam here. Today I'm going to discuss about the population growth tendency in Bangladesh. Okay, here you can see a table. Okay, there has different years and this side have different population in Bangladesh. Okay, in this summary we can see the past year in 1974. And the total population of Bangladesh was 7 crore 64 lakh. Okay, and another year, in 1981, the population of Bangladesh was 8 crore 99 lakh. Okay, and another year, 1991, the total population was 11 crore 40 lakh. And then have another year in 2001, and the population of Bangladesh was 12 crore 93 lakh. Okay. And in 2011, the total population of Bangladesh 14 crore 97 lakh. And the last one, 2020, the total population of Bangladesh was 16 crore 91 lakh. Okay, as we know that at present population of Bangladesh is almost 18 crore. Okay, and we can see this year. To 1974 to 2020, there have 46 years. Okay, in 46 years, our Bangladesh population is more than double. We can see in 1974, the total population was 7 crore 64 lakh. If we double this population, then it will come 15 crore 28 lakh. But as in 2020, the total population was 16 crore 91 lakh. So that I can say that the population more than double. Okay, and the growth rate of our Bangladesh is 1.3% now. Okay, but in 1970, the growth rate was 3%. Though the growth rate is decline in our country day by day, but we have to face several problem by the overpopulation. Okay, about this survey, there has a connection, deep connection, the density of population. Okay, here population density means the number of people live in 1 kilometer. That means the population density. Okay, here we know that Bangladesh land area is definite. That means fixed. Okay, but our population is increasing day by day. So that the growth rate of the population density is also increasing day by day. Okay, and if we compare this problem internationally, then we can see that Bangladesh position is 10th and Singapore position is 3rd and Hong Kong position is 4th. Another country, our neighbor country, India's position is 33rd, and Pakistan, okay, Pakistan position is 56th. Okay, so we have to be more careful that our population is not increased. Okay, how to decrease our population? We have to do it. Okay, and we know that there are many effects of overpopulation. Okay, they cannot get education, proper education. Okay, lack of food. Okay, they feel lack of scarcity of food. Okay, about them, many people cannot send their students to the school. Okay, like more problems. Okay, so we have to find out our problem, and that in this case, female education must be needed. Okay, female education must be needed, and the government should impose some rules and regulations to stop this population growth. That time we can overcome this situation. Okay, so that's all today. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.